Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the world of summer fun with what we believe to be the best inflatables for your pool. The 90shine 4PCS Fruit Pool Floats. Picture this, lounging in the sun, surrounded by the vibrant colors of summer, with a watermelon, kiwi, orange, and lime by your side. That's the experience these adorable fruit pool floats offer. But it's not just about looks. These inflatable tubes are made of thick, soft, premium PVC, ensuring durability and comfort for hours of endless fun. Plus, they come with repair patches for those accidental punctures, because let's face it, fun can sometimes get a little rowdy. Measuring at 29.1 inches in diameter, these floats provide ample space for both kids and adults to enjoy. And weighing in at just under 2 pounds each, they're easy to transport and store when not in use. Whether you're hosting a summer-themed party, hitting the beach, or simply lounging in your backyard pool, these fruit pool floats add a splash of fun to any occasion. Now, you might be wondering about any potential odors. Don't worry, it's a common concern. Simply air them out for 1 to 2 days, and any smells will dissipate, leaving you with nothing but pure summer vibes. And the best part? You can have these delivered right to your doorstep with just a few clicks. With a price tag of $19.99 for the set, it's an affordable way to elevate your summer experience. So, if you're ready to make a splash this summer, look no further than the 90shine 4PCS Fruit Pool Floats. Trust us, your poolside paradise awaits. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product critiques. Until next time, stay cool and stay tuned to Product Critique.